GoTo Resolve for IT support professionals can be a game changer when it comes to boosting your team's productivity. If you're wondering how, you're in the right place. This tool is designed to streamline IT support tasks and empower your team to handle more requests with less effort. By the end of this video, you'll know if GoTo Resolve can really make a difference for your IT team or if there are other options worth considering. Stay tuned, because we'll also share an exclusive offer for GoTo Resolve and highlight some powerful alternatives that might suit your needs even better. First up, GoTo Resolve is built to simplify remote IT support. Its remote desktop feature is one of the standout functions, allowing support staff to quickly access a user's computer from anywhere. This dramatically reduces downtime for your team, speeding up the process of resolving technical issues. The ability to connect securely to endpoints means your support staff can troubleshoot issues without leaving their desk, saving time on travel and increasing the number of tickets they can close in a day. Next thing, automation. GoTo Resolve offers automation tools that can handle routine tasks like system diagnostics, security patching, and software updates. This lets your IT team focus on higher priority issues that require real-time attention. Automation also ensures that your team isn't bogged down by repetitive work, and it reduces the risk of human error, which can have serious consequences in IT support. The fourth thing I want to highlight is the integrated ticketing system. GoTo Resolve's ticketing system is easy to use and comes with a full audit trail. This means you can track each request from start to finish, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. With its intuitive interface, your team can assign, escalate, and prioritize tasks seamlessly. The ticketing system also provides insights into team performance, so you can identify bottlenecks and improve processes over time. Now let's talk collaboration. GoTo Resolve allows multiple team members to collaborate on a single issue, which is key for complex support requests. This real-time collaboration helps your team solve problems faster and more efficiently, as they can communicate directly within the tool instead of jumping between email threads or other communication platforms. But let's take a moment to be critical here. While GoTo Resolve certainly offers many great features, it's not perfect. Some users have reported that the interface can be a little overwhelming for newcomers, especially those not used to IT management platforms. It also lacks some of the advanced reporting features seen in other tools like ConnectWise or Freshservice. So, while GoTo Resolve is powerful, it's important to weigh these limitations against your team's needs. Next, let's briefly compare this to a couple of competitors. ConnectWise and Freshservice both offer strong remote desktop support and automation, but with a more polished interface and additional customization options. If you're looking for something that's a bit more user-friendly from the get-go, or if you need very detailed reporting, these might be better choices for your team. At this point, you may be wondering, is GoTo Resolve really the right choice for your IT support team? Here's the twist. While GoTo Resolve is solid, I recommend exploring some other tools as well, especially if you're looking for better value or specific features that GoTo Resolve may lack. Stick around, because I'll share an exclusive extended free trial offer for GoTo Resolve through our link, but also recommend a couple of alternatives that could be better suited for boosting your team's productivity. To wrap up, GoTo Resolve offers a lot of great features for IT support professionals, including remote access, automation, ticketing, and collaboration tools. However, depending on your team's needs, you might find that other options provide more value for the goal of increasing productivity. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available to our viewers. Plus, we've included alternatives with free trials that may be a better fit for your needs. Make sure to check out the link below to grab the best deal and find the perfect tool to optimize your IT support team's productivity.